Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if voicemail notification won't go away on Realme 16. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and you will see swipe up and restart device from here. After restarting, enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search phone app from here. Click on phone app and click on storage usage. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache phone app. Click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. If you want to, but if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Enter your phone pin. Again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if voicemail notification won't go away on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.